Hey guys, what is going on? It is Crypto Collision. I'm super excited today. Falcon, it's one of the ones that a lot of us have stood by them through all of their difficulty, and today it seems to be paying off. They just announced that they're doing this lending at $10, so I was just going to go do it because I screwed myself out of the tech's $30 lend. Because I decided to make a video and it took too long, and then they said whoa, and they got inundated, and I wasn't able to make the loan. So anyways, I'm just gonna do this quick because I don't want to miss out on it. So just real quick, this is all of my coins, 7828. I'm sorry, 782. It's all my coins. Do that. Are you sure? Absolutely. Come on, baby. Now, oh shit. Okay. Okay, wait. Scared me. Alright, there we go. Are you sure? Yes. And spent. Transfer, spent. Lent. Oh gosh. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. I've been, I stopped waiting, not completely, I didn't completely stop waiting, I'm being patient with Bitconnect because I'm certain they're going to go high. They've already been at 40. I love Bitconnect, that's my new baby, even though I don't have a lend on them yet, but, anyways, Falcon Coin, I'm so excited about this. The price is going up. You can see the price just going up. It was 80 cents when Crypto Flower made her video 30 minutes ago or something like that, and it just went up from 98 to 99 just while I've been sitting here for a few minutes. Anyway, and actually, this another thing is, even if you are on the fence about lending, go check out your account because people are definitely lending. And you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm just going to do it all. 630 bucks. Oh, that's what I was worried about. It's only 63 Falcon Coin. Okay, well, you know what? That's okay because at this point, I'll just consider this my first payment. That's what I did leave a comment on Crypto Flower's video asking whether or not that was the case. I mean, I guess it wouldn't really. I don't think it would be sustainable for them to lend it $10 and allow you to take your profit and buy 80-cent or dollar tokens. That doesn't really sound fair, I guess. Well, yeah, how is this going to work actually now? I have $630 here. If I want to get it out, I have to buy... Oh, wow, okay. Alright, well, you know what? Yeah, I think I just realized something. So yeah, I would be buying... God damn it. I would be buying $10 tokens. $630 for 63 Falcon coins. And then I think at that point I would sell them at $1. So this is familiar actually. I remember this same situation. I can't even remember, to be honest. Now I can't even remember which. I can't remember which it was now that I'm thinking about it. 73 cents, 74 cents. So anyway, so I guess basically, what'll happen is this is already going up, and this is going to push. This whole thing is going to push the price up. So once it pushes the price up, then it'll be real. It'll be real. At this point, it is not exactly what, I can't get $630 out of here. So basically, they're 10xing your loan, but at the same time they are dividing by 10 to get the money out. So, anyways, so yeah, look at this. It's going up though. So that's the deal. Once the real price reaches the $10 or better, then we will we'll be able to do everything like normal. At this point, I can't remember what platform that was that this happened at. I remember. Oh, you know what? It was Western Coin. Remember that? When they were inflating the price and they were giving you a better loan, even though they didn't do it promotionally like this and just say they were going to do it. They were just kind of inflating the loan price, but it worked both ways. So yeah, just like this, to get your money out, you were dividing it by 10, so it really wasn't beneficial until the coin goes up. So when this coin hits $10, then we'll be in real time. Right now, taking money out of here is definitely not the smart thing to do, so I'm not going to do that. But anyways, I'm super excited. At least now I can watch this coming in. I stopped waiting. Before I was waiting on everything. I was just waiting and waiting and waiting, and now I have decided. I got this here just because well, whatever. Let's not go there. But yeah, NuMiv. I lent NuMiv. Before I just made a small lend, and then I just said screw it, and I lent it all at $10. Not that it matters. You can't get it out. Force is the same. You can't get it out. You can't get it out. Poly, you can get it out. It costs a fortune to get out, though. It's like $35 to get it out. So you have to. Have a decent amount to get out. Hextra is being a dick. So that's a bummer. Davor is just plugging along. They're my lifeline at this point. They're my income right now. This is a joke. They're $2 coins. CEO, I don't remember. Seemed like they were like 3 something, but SFI is a joke. Cointium, I think I just lent. I only got 100 of them, but I think I just lent these like yesterday. I started staking my hot crypto. So yeah, this is definitely not giving me the kind of income that I was getting when Hextra and Bitconnect were paying along with Davor and Poly. When I had these 4 going, it was kind of ridiculous. I was making a lot of money. And at this point, yeah, Davor is doing okay. I mean, they're doing great. The price of their coin is definitely taken a hit since BCC went down. But this was my big payday every day, and they are not working out right now. So hopefully they recover. If anybody knows how to get a hold of them, I would love to send them an email. Well, I'm sure I could find the information. I need to email Hextra and say, look, the only way that they can get past this is to either force loan every coin in everybody's possession, and that would probably include they would have to convert the lending wallet to coins and then force loan all the coins, and then they could begin to pay us and allow us to get our money out. Or they would, other than that, I think they would have to just severely limit the amount of Hextra that can be sold in a day. And I think they could probably, maybe even go as high as 100 coins a day or something like that. Just something reasonable that wasn't everybody dumping thousands of coins, So anyways, I'm excited about this. I've been standing by them. As you can see, I had 780 or whatever. Yeah, 782 tokens, and that was up. Every time I would get anything. Well, actually, I think it was just one time. I guess somebody made a loan, and I got something in here in my USD wallet, and I purchased more. Maybe it was twice though, because it seems like I purchased once at like $5 when it was still up at 568, and then once when it came down lower. But anyway, oh yeah, so you can see 53 coins. Oh, it doesn't tell you the price. But anyways, yeah, $70. Oh yeah, it was $70. Anyways, so yeah, I'm super excited about this. I do think they're going to recover and not recover, but yeah, this is gonna get them going. This is going to light the fire that everybody that they needed for everybody to actually start paying attention again. Their communication is fantastic lately, and yeah, everything's wonderful. So, all right, I think that's about all I got. I appreciate your time. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway probably today. I need to. I think I actually managed to forget to do my 400, so maybe I'll double it up or something like that. But I forgot to do my 400 because that was all kind of in the BCC craze, and my income has taken a serious hit. So with that being said, I may or may not do the 400 and 500 giveaway. I might just do the 500 giveaway, $50, and I'll have to decide how I'm going to do that. Obviously, Bitcoin's not an option since it costs so much to send these days. So yeah, maybe I'll try to figure out what kind of coin I'll send to the winner. But in the meantime, stay strong. You know, keep those strong hands, guys. Connect. Go over to Connect. Buy that shit up. I'm holding near almost 1,000, and it went up to $40. So it's now down back to around 10. But it was, you know, 3 days ago, and then it jumped up, and 10 seems to be the new bottom-ish. You know, it fluctuates right around there. But the community, the Telegram community of Connect is insanely awesome. It's like nothing I've ever experienced before. I love it. I spend a lot of time in there. I mean, so if you guys want to chat, come check me out in the Connect Telegram. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Like and subscribe and all that stuff. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.